Hey everyone, Force Restart here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. Very first thing, let's go ahead and open up our Android WhatsApp right here. And then from there on, you're going to click on the three dots up top here to get to settings. Now in the settings, it's really important that you go to notification and start looking at these settings themselves. For example, if you want conversation tone, you want to make sure this is turned on. If you want reminders for certain messages and calls and status, you want to keep those settings on. And then you can also see other things like notification tones, right? If you want notification tone, you want to select one of these. You just don't want it to be off. The ringer should be on as well. And things like a group notification, you know, check on them, make sure that they are actually turned up the volume and it is selected to something. Same with calls. As you can see, if you want calls, make sure it's not on silent. You want to make sure it's on default or one of these settings so that you can actually get the calls and such. So go through them and look to see which notifications you want and then make sure they're turned on as well. Now, also you have the option to just reset the notification settings if you think you tweak something and you don't want to, and that will also help as well. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to exit out of the actual WhatsApp app. This time you're going to go to the settings on your phone. Now, from your settings here, you're going to go to apps. So let's look for apps. And in the apps, you can search for WhatsApp or scroll all the way down. Since it's alphabetical order here, we're going to look for the WhatsApp app. And then here, a couple things to check. First thing is notification. You want to make sure that you're allowing it and it's not blocked. So you want sounds and a vibration. You want to turn that on and then select the options for different notifications and their configuration as well. So you're going to allow that. Next thing, you're going to click on permission. Just verify that it is notification is allowed. If let's say this was not allowed or turned off, right? You'll see it down here. You want to tap on it to allow and then go back and make sure it's in the allowed section. Now let's go back again one more time. Now, this time you want to go ahead and check things like for the battery. Make sure your battery is not restricted because if it is, as you can see, your notifications may not work or be delayed. You want either optimize or unrestricted for WhatsApp so the battery can be used to make sure that you get notification. Now, other things you want to go ahead and check out is going to be in the storage here. What you want to do is just clear the cache, and that will help it reset as well. It's not going to delete your data. As you'll see, your data will still be there. It's just a quick way to ensure that there isn't a setting that could potentially affect it. So there are things to check out as well. Now, other things you might want to check out on your phone is that it's not on Do Not Disturb by any chance. So from the top menu here, you're going to see an option that has Do Not Disturb. If you have this turned on, you also see a circle with a minus icon. You want to ensure that is turned off so it doesn't block the notification. Now, another thing you're going to want to do is if you're still having issues is just going ahead and just making sure you update WhatsApp. So in the App Store, you go to search page and then Play Store, you're going to go ahead and click on and then see if there's an update. Here it's already updated, it says open, but if there is an update, it's going to say the word update and you can click on to install the latest update. Now, along with that, if you're still having issues, just go ahead and simply restart your phone. Usually you can do that by pulling down the top menu to restart here or just use the volume down and the side button like this and the same menu will pop up. So let's go ahead and try, right? You'll get the power menu, you can restart it. A simple restart fixes a lot of software related issues. And if anything, if you want to do the last thing is in your setting here, make sure that you have if you're using on mobile data that you're allowing background data usage as well, so it's not turned off, because if it's on data, you may not get a notification. So that's how you fix it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.